Here at Smile Design Studio, a lot of my patients ask me whether they can have clear braces and what the difference is between the Damon Clear and the Damon Metal braces. Well, aside from the obvious advantage of Damon Clear braces being a less visible treatment option, the technology behind the two bracket systems is pretty similar. So with Damon Clear braces, because of the material, they're made of a polycarbonate material, and that material is not quite as strong as the metal braces. So in order for them to stand up to the forces that are happening inside your mouth, they need to be a little bit bigger and have a little bit more material. So the end result is that Damon Clear brackets are a bit wider and they have a bigger profile compared to Damon Metal braces. So in terms of the differences between the two braces, it's more about whether or not we can use them, and that has to do with the amount of crowding and the size of the teeth. Now, for most patients in the upper arch where it actually matters, Damon Clear braces are usually possible, and in the lower arch, that's where we're more likely to come across problems because the teeth are thinner. In terms of the treatment length and the results, there isn't a huge amount of difference. You can get pretty much the same results with Damon Clear braces as you can with Damon Metal braces. And in terms of the length of the treatment, theoretically speaking, it should be the same, but what we find is that because Damon Clear braces are more likely to have emergencies and breakages and things like that, that delay in a patient being able to come in and get that sorted out, that is actually what's slowing the treatment down. But in reality, the difference is quite negligible. We might find that the Damon Clear braces on average take a month or two longer than the Damon Metal. And I think that that's a small price to pay to have a much less visible treatment option.